So guys, today I'm going to try out this cafeteria near me. Let's see what they got. I got the stuff. Let's go, bro. Damn. Bro, look at the sauce, bro.
Wash it down with something cold. Opera 10-10.